In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment gateway on Wix website. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps many of the core tools for managing your website, including checkout and payment options. In the Settings area, select Accept Payments. This section is where you can choose how customers will pay you on your Wix site. Before you connect anything, take a moment to check the business location shown in the top right corner. This part is very important because Wix uses your country or region to display the payment providers that are actually available to you. If the location is not correct, you may not see the right options. Go ahead and select the correct country for your business location. Once that is set properly, Wix will load the payment gateways supported in your region. This helps you avoid setup issues later and makes sure your checkout options match local availability. Next, look through the standard payment methods you want to offer on your checkout page. For example, PayPal is a common choice if you want to give customers a quick express checkout option. You may also see manual payments, which is useful if you want to accept offline methods such as cash on delivery or manual bank transfer. Choose the options that fit how you want to run your business. If you want to explore more gateways beyond the standard ones shown first, scroll down and click See More Payment Options. This will open additional third-party providers, which can include services like Stripe, Square, or point-of-sale related options depending on your region. This is helpful if you already use a specific provider or need features that another gateway offers. When you find the payment gateway you want to use, click the Connect button next to it. Wix will then guide you through the connection process for that provider. In many cases, you will need to sign into your payment account or create one if you have not done that yet. Finally, complete any identity verification steps or tax forms requested by the provider. These requirements are important because they help fully activate your account and can prevent delays when it is time to receive payouts. Make sure all requested details are submitted accurately so your payment setup works smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.